Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Yonke into enzakala la shows good ubaba umfundisi has empowered the community.
Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uhambele emishini yakwasiza abantu kwamaphumulo namhlanje lapho bethamele khona inkonzo yephasika. uMashatile udalula ukuthi uhulumeni uyafuna ukubambisana nale mishini ohlelweni oluphathelene nezolimo.
There must be consequences for somebody who deliberately does this. I mean, no one in South Africa who is even in leadership position can say to us they don't know that Bushiri is a fugitive.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe liqhelelanisile nohambo lukaNobhala Jikelele walo uFloyd Shivambu esontweni likaMfundisi uShepherd Bushiri eMalawi.
At the moment, no one knows the cause of the fire incident. There are several investigations that are underway by various institutions as required by the law and the response mandate.
Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni eGauteng uphenye imbangela yokuqubuka komlilo esibhedlela iThembisa Provincial Tertiary. Nabenyasikandaba ejame ngomkhonto phezulu komzemvubu siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze. Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uhambele emishini yakwasiza abantu KwaZulu-Natal namhlanje lapho bethamele khona inkonzo yephasika. uMashatile udalula ukuthi uhulumeni uyafuna ukubambisana nale mishini ohlelweni oluphathelene nezolimo oseliqhutshwe kwasiza abantu iminyaka engaphezulu kwama-60 noselusungulwe amathuba emisebenzi kubantu abaningi eTranscorp nakwamaphumulo.
Isonto lehlukile lephasika kwasiza abantu mission kwamaphumulo ngaseTranscorp njengoba kufike usekela Mengameli Paul Mashatile ebavakashele. uMashatile utshele ibandla ukuthi uhulumeni uthanda ukusebenzisana nemission yakwasiza abantu ukuqala amaplazi afuze lawa.
I was particularly moved about what they are doing. The work started by Umfundisi Stegen some years ago, in 1962, teaching people to really help themselves, plowing, planting vegetables and all sort of things, growing a place which was just a forest.
uMashatile uthi into eyenziwa kwasiza abantu ifuna ukuthi yenziwe nakwezinye izindawo.
We came to worship with them, but also to see the tremendous work that they are doing in these communities, which is work that we think should be replicated, where people can help themselves.
Izakhamizi kanye nabasonta kuleli bandla bathi kuyintokozo enkulu uhanjelwa uMashatile.
Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje kulolu suku lasigubha khona ukuvuka kwenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu ukuba sibe nosekela mongameli qala ngqa. Ushilo uthi akagcinileke ukuthi asivakashelela sazophinda abuye futhi abe kanye nathi sithemba ukuthi kuningi khona ama programs esokwazi ukuthi sisebenze nawo silindele ukuze ukuthi imaphi wona.
Londi Khatebe, SABC News kwamaphumulo.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe leqhelelanisa nohambo lukaNobhala Jikelele walo uFloyd Shivambu esontweni likaShepherd Bushiri eMalawi i-Enlightened Christian Gathering kubeni efunwa inhlaka zomthetho kuleli. uBushiri ufunela uxhaxha lwamacala afaka phakathi ukudlengula ukwephula imbandelo yebail kanye nokwephula imithetho yezemali neyokufika kuleli.
The church
uFloyd Shivambu sezidonsele amanzi ngomsele ngemuva kokusabalala kwevideo ezinkundleni zokuxhumana emveza yenoBushiri ngesikhathi yevakashele esontweni lakhe eMalawi. Esitatimendini iqembu umkhonto wesizwe liziqhelelanisile nesenzo sikaShivambu. Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wezobulungiswa uMamuluku Kubayi ugxekile ukuziphatha kukaShivambu wachaza njengesenzo esibukela phansi uhlelo lwezomthetho eNingizimu Afrika.
Argue that there's nothing illegal that he has done, but morally there's actually something that is wrong. For a political leader, and that's why I'm happy that, and I appreciate what Mkhonto Wesizwe as a political party has done to issue a statement to distance themselves, because they are a party that is represented in parliament. And therefore, when its Secretary General, who is their face, is seen publicly, proudly to be associated with the fugitives, with victims remaining in South Africa, who are still seeking justice, it's a slap in terms of the law, and I think it's an error of judgment from Floyd.
Uqhube wathi kumqoka ukuthi bonke abaholi beseke zobulungiswa njengoba beyisibonelo emphakathini.
Mr. Shibambo leaves his own country, goes to another country in the presence of multitudes of Namibians, undermines the integrity and the dignity of his own country as a leader. I think that says a lot about his character.
Kule inkantolo yaseMalawi inqome ukuthi uBushiri nonkosikazi wakhe uMary bangabuyiselwa eNingizimu Afrika ukuze babhekane namacala abathweswe wona, kodwa ke uBushiri uhlela ukusiphonsela inselele lesinqumo.
Umholi webandla lamasheshu Archbishop Thabo Makgoba uphakamisa ukuthi wonke amaqembu ezombusazwe avotelwe ukuba seParliament kufanele anikwe isithunzi nenhlonipho ngendlela efanelekile. Ubekhuluma enkonzweni yephasika ebiqhubeka eSt George's Cathedral eKapa eWestern Cape namhlanje.
Archbishop Thabo Makgoba ukhulume wagxila kwezithinta ezombusazwe eNingizimu Afrika nasemazweni omhlaba. Ubalule ukuthi kuyakhathaza ungabe bikho kozinzo kwezombusazwe, waphawula nangodlame oluyamene nobulili ngokunjalo nezimpi eziqhubeka eSudan kanye naseGaza kulasePalestina.
When South Sudan teeters on the brink of a new civil war, and when we look on in despair as Israel expands its occupation of Gaza, where not even those identifying themselves as medical personnel are safe from attack.
Umkhandlo wengamele ezamabandla eNingizimu Afrika usanda kubamba inguyazana nomengameli wezwe namalungu eCabinet kubhungwa kwezokubuswa kwezwe. Bizwakalise ungenami ngendlela yokuziphatha kwamanye amaqembu abambisene kuhulumeni wobumbano.
Of the leadership of the African National Congress clearly finds it difficult to accept that they no longer enjoy the support of the majority of the electorate and still behave as if they alone enjoy legitimacy.
Archbishop Makgoba ugcizelele ngelokuthi ubulungiswa beqiniso ngesimo sezwe kuyokwenzeka kuphela ngokufezekiswa kwezimiso zomthethosisekelo ngokuthi zonke inhlaka zisebenze ngokubambisana ukufeza umgomo olungile ngezwe.
Inkulungwane zamabandla ehlukene okubalwa kuwona neZen Christian Church yaziwa ngezithi siyasebambe ebheke emakhaya manje njengoba beseMoriya ePolokwane ngephasika. Iphathimandla zilokhu ziqaphe ngelokhoziso imigwaqo uthela wayeka njengoba wenyukile nje umthamo weimoto kuleya ndawo.
Kulindeleke ukuthi wenyuka umthamo weimoto emgwaqweni emkhulu esifundazwe iLimpopo nokuyimigwaqo okubalwa kuyo R71 osuka eMoriya njengoba nje abazalwane bamabandla okubalwa kuwo neZCC besendleleni ebheke eindaweni ezehlukene emva kwephasika. Mengameli wezwe Ramaphosa bemdibi munye nebandla iZCC. Kusenjalo Limpopo Tourism Agents ithi umkhakha wezokuvakasha esifundazweni uhlomlile kulempela sonto.
These people from Botswana, these people from Zimbabwe, Zambia, Namibia that have come here, Cape Town, all the other provinces. So they will be buying fruits and we are happy as a province.
Ungobeni uthe ezinye indawo zokuvakasha esifundazweni zenyukelwe isibalo sabantu abahambele kuzo.
Waterberg is less than an hour drive from Pretoria, to Limpopo, and people are full as well. In the various areas of Waterberg.
Abathengisa emgwaqeni R71 nokuwumgwaqo obheke eMoriya bathi asimamile amabhizinisi abo kulempela sonto yephasika.
We appreciate for there at ZCC that church is like it's like angel for us, like it's here in this life, it's coming. It's a lot of people there. Without Moriya we are nothing. Like I can say like that. Without Moriya in this road, we are nothing, because there's too much custom there at Moriya.
Lindeleke ukuba zibeningi imoto emgwaqeni njengoba nje besendleleni abasuka eMoriya bebhekise amabombe endaweni eziningi ezehlukene.
Liyaqhubeka uphenyo lokuhlonza ukuthi yini eqala umlilo egunjini lesibhedlela iThembisa Provincial Tertiary eGauteng. Iguli engaphezulu kwama-50 ikhishiwe zafakwa kwelinye igumbi eliphephile, abekho abalimele kulesigameko.
Bikwa ukuthi uqale sekuzoshaya ihora lesithupha ntambama egumbini lezimo eziphuthumayo esibhedlela iThembisa. Uphenyo mayelana nempangela yomlilo luyaqhubeka.
We'll get proper updates. At this stage, there is a preliminary, data that is coming through, and I think once it is properly processed, we should be able to communicate.
Isibhedlela sisazomisa ukwamukela iziguli zaleli gumbi. Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni unxenxa amalungu omphakathi ukuba asebenzise ezinye izibhedlela uma zidinga usizo lwezempilo.
The accident emergency area of the hospital will remain on divert until further notice, meaning that we will not receive any other patients for now. Those seeking medical care must go to the nearest facilities. We'll keep the patients and the users of the facility updated of any development.
Umalodana uqinisekise izakhamuzi ezinamalungu kulesibhedlela ukuthi sisazoqhubeka ukwanakekela. Owengamele ezempilo eGauteng uNomantu Nkomo Ralihuku uthi abakazi ukuthi izindleko zalomonakalo zizobanga kanani.
The Gauteng Department of Infrastructure Development has confirmed that they have the latest maintenance record for the fire detection systems. At the moment, no one knows the cause of the fire incident. There are several investigations that are underway by various institutions as required by the law and the response mandate. And I'm sure you can see that there are still people that are inside that are doing that work.
This is historical. It has never happened, and we would want to imagine that it's even a world record. There has never been such a mass wedding.
Ithandane engaphezulu kwenkulungwane namakhulu amahlanu ishada umshado omkhulu International Pentecostal Holiness Church eKhanana City ngaphandle kwase Heidelberg esifundazweni eGauteng. Asibonga sikwamukele mbukelo ngobosanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uhambele emishini yawasiza abantu kwamaphumulo namhlanje lapho bethamele khona inkonzo yephasika. uMashatile udalula ukuthi uhulumeni uyafuna ukubambisana nale mishini ohlelweni oluphathelene nezolimo. Mbukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uyigcinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe eParliament aphawule ngomsebenzi osuwenziwe kuleli hlandla lokuqala kulonyaka. Amalungu eParliament ahlaba ikhefu kulama holiday ephasika emva kokuba matasa ngomsebenzi kubalwa nenkulumo ebhekiswe esizweni kanye nokuhlehliswa kwenkulumo yesabelo mali.
Iqala le-DA, ele-ANC, ACDP kunye no-Build One South Africa babenezimvo ezahlukeneyo malunga nethembu egqithileyo yeParliament. Nakubeni nje umba wokusweleka kwamajoni eli kwilizwe lase-DRC kumlo ubuphakathi kwabavukeli be-M23 uthe nawo wangumba othe wakhankanywa iParliament, kodwa umba wohlahlo lwabiwo-mali ube ngoyena ophambili ezingqondweni zamaqela ezopolitiko.
For us in the ACDP, the most significant event was undoubtedly when the budget speech was postponed in February, when many parties in the GNU decided not to support the budget.
In essence, the substance of this budget is presenting an opportunity for our country to walk away from austerity budget and rather increase expenditure, which, as we all know, is the cornerstone for economic growth.
Inkokeli yombutho iBuild One South Africa uMusi Maimane khange yohluke nayo kwizimvo zayo malunga nomba wohlahlo lwabiwo-mali.
Some of the key highlights are really around the issue of the budget, the historical postponement of the budget, the tabling of a budget that includes a VAT hike, the public hearings that went on to fight against the reduction of the VAT hike.
iDA yona ithe avakalisa olwayo uluvo ngelixeka iANC malunga nomba wohlahlo lwabiwo-mali.
When we look at the budget that we will not tolerate an increase in any form of taxes. The ANC did not want to listen.
Lomba wohlahlo lwabiwo-mali kulindeleke ukuba uqale kwinyanga ezayo. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndu-Abongwe Khobokana seParliament.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile uthi-ke akhathazekile ngokuphepha kwakhe njengoba linezokuphepha eziqinile uthi futhi akukho lutho luzomvimba ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe. Uphinde waqinisekisa ukuthi uphenyo seliqaliwe mayelana nokuhlaselwa kudutshulwa imoto zabavikeli bakhe emasontweni edlule. Lesigameko ombuke lisenzeke uMashatile ebuye emhlanganweni wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC eBoksburg. AbakwaSidlodlo kanye ne-Presidential Protection Unit bathi basaphenya ngalesigameko.
Must have heard that the police are investigating. What really happened is that as I was driving from the NEC, my car was hit what initially I thought it was stones. And when we got home, the protectors said no, the impact is too much. They want to take it for checking because, you know, a bulletproof windscreen is quite strong to be damaged, and that's why they are doing the investigation.
Ithandane ngaphezu kwenkulungwane namakhulu amahlanu ishado umshado omkhulu International Pentecostal Holiness Church eKhanana City ngaphandle kwase Heidelberg eGauteng. Lesibalo sidlule seyithandane ngamakhulu amane ezabopha ifindo lika Sofa Silahlane ngephasika la ngo-2023.
Kugujwe isiko elidumile ebandleni le-International Pentecostal Holiness Church lapho izinkulungwane ezingeniswe emshadweni ongcwele ngosuku olulodwa olukhethekile. Leli bandla liba nemishado emikhulu kathathu ngonyaka kanti kulokhu babe baningi abashadayo solokhu lasungulwa leli bandla ngo-1962.
For the first time in the history of the church, we have more than 3,000 couples that are getting married in one sitting at a go. So they are going to be blessed into a holy matrimony all at once. This is historical. It has never happened. And we would want to imagine that it's even a world record. There has never been such a mass wedding.
Kanti iminyaka neminyaka leli bandla laziwa ngale mishado eminingi enembala yahlukene nebenyezelayo.
Today I'm getting married to my beautiful bride, which is my first wife. And I feel amazing, man. It's a feeling that's unexplainable, but I'm happy.
So obviously as a little girl, one envisions getting married, and my prince chose me amongst the millions of, well, not millions, but thousands of women, and I couldn't be more happier.
Laba basesithenjini bamukela imbono yokwandiswa kwemndeni kanye nokuzibophezela.
I'm marrying the third wife today. This is my first wife. My second wife, unfortunately, she cannot be here now. It's a celebration of three.
Imndeni yabantu abasishiyagalombili abashone engozini yetekisi neveni eyenzeka ngoNhlolanja eLimpopo idlulisa ukubonga kwayo ngokwesekwa eyakuthola ngesikhathi linda ukuphothulwa koLibofuzo. Laba abashonele abasishiyagalombili babekwe endaweni yabo yokugcina ezigodini ezehlukene ezakhele eKhenhoek eBushbuck Ridge esifundazweni eMpumalanga.
Phakathi buphume ngomningi ukuyothi indlelanhle ezisulwini zengozi eyenzeke eKhenhoek kanti nemndeni yalezi zisulu ijabule ngemuva kokulinda izinyanga ezingaphezulu kwezimbili ukuze kwenziwe uLibofuzo. Lezi zisulu zasha zangqongqa kule ngozi kanti kuzoba kukhona neminyaka e12.
It took us more than 2 months waiting for the results. We were hopeful that they were going to be released. We are fairly grateful to everyone, and from the churches, from the community leaders, and the government at large in terms of the support that they have rendered.
UNdunankulu waseMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu uthi uhulumeni uzoqhubeka nokweseka imndeni.
It is not easy just to lose a person that is closer to your heart, or not even closer, a person that is inside your heart. So it will be very difficult for them to copy. So we agreed that we'll continue to give them counseling.
Ongamele zokuphepha komphakathi usephinde wanxusa abashayeli ukuthi baqaphele njengoba kunesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abashonile kulesifundazwe kulempela sonto yephasika.
Drive safe and make sure that they save life. As we are seated in terms of the stats, we are at 17. I think we have surpassed already when we compare to the stats that we recorded last year.
Kusenjalo ezinye izisulu ezimbili zalengozi nazo zizofihlwa ngemuva kokuphothulwa kwemiphumela yolibofuzo lwazo.
Mhlahlo simo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu siyabuya. Mbukeli sibika lapha bese kuphathele zona ngolika Mageba siyabuya nezinye indaba kusasa ngehora lokuqala emini usale kahle.